Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to tape the knob of your hockey stick. First, we didn't move that, but so first what you want to do is you want to get something like this, like a piece of tape, take it off, and just like twist it around. Twist it so it's like sticky. That side, not the other side, because then you're probably gonna have to do it again. But after you're done that, let me just finish up here. Okay, finished up there. So after you're done that, guys, you wanna put it on your stick. As you can see, I already have my knob on there. So as big as your finger space is, you want to put it right there. Okay, on the stick though. So I'll bring this up for you guys. Now 2 + 2 is 4. God, that sounds in my head. So you want to put your finger, yup, perfect finger size. Then you want to grab your, if you don't have any, I would recommend, if you have some, use grip tape, but if you don't have any of that, just use your normal white tape. I would definitely not recommend black tape at the top. First, overall, it just looks bad. Second, overall, it's not too good because it's hard to see, and white tape is a bit more grippy. So I'm used to white tape, so I stay with white tape, but you guys can do whatever you want. So with your grip tape, you just want to tape around. I did show you guys how to tape your blade in that video. Link in the description. Go check that out first. I would recommend. So after you're done with that, just wanna those are the scissors. I'm retaping this because I got practice. And guys, if it doesn't stick, I would recommend putting a collar, what it's called, with your white tape. So I guess I'll do that just to show you guys. So you want to get a collar, tape around. I would recommend maybe twice, just so you get that extra tightness. But yeah, that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching. But yeah, that's basically it. Bye, guys. I'm hot dogs for dinner, by the way. Bye.